The origins, foundation, and production of Koso Med. Koso Med was founded on the deeply rooted belief that the best support for human health comes from nature, enhanced through science and refined by tradition. The company's mission is to provide functional health solutions built on centuries-old Japanese fermentation practices, reinforced by cutting-edge research into bioavailability, nutrient synergy, and gut health. Ancient wisdom meets modern science. The term koso in Japanese translates to enzyme, or fermented enzyme extract, and the foundation of Koso Med lies in the traditional process of fermenting whole plant ingredients to unlock their nutritional power. Fermentation has long been a part of the Japanese diet, as seen in foods like miso, natto, and soy sauce, all of which rely on microbial activity to enhance flavor and preserve nutrients. Koso Med adopted this approach and elevated it into a structured, repeatable system of wellness. Rather than create a product focused on a single vitamin or isolated compound, they designed a broad-spectrum fermented extract composed of over 100 fruits, vegetables, seaweeds, legumes, grains, and mushrooms. These ingredients are fermented over a minimum period of 1 year, during which microbial activity breaks them down into small, easily absorbable nutrients. This process is entirely natural. No synthetic preservatives, additives, or artificial enzymes are used. The only forces at play are time, temperature, and carefully selected microorganisms. The power of long-term fermentation. Unlike quick commercial fermentations that last days or weeks, Koso Med's process is slow and deliberate. This extended fermentation period allows for deep microbial interaction with the plant materials. Beneficial strains of bacteria and yeast metabolize the plant compounds, creating bioactive cofactors that support cellular health, digestion, and energy production. Among the compounds produced during this process are amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, natural enzymes which support digestive function, antioxidants which protect cells from oxidative damage, probiotics and prebiotics which enhance gut microbiome balance, polyphenols and flavonoids which support inflammation regulation and cellular repair. Importantly, the fermentation also reduces anti-nutrients such as phytates and oxalates, which in raw plant material can block the absorption of vital minerals. By removing these barriers, Koso Med's products improve bioavailability, allowing the body to actually absorb and use the nutrients consumed. Scientific verification and product safety. What separates Koso Med from many health food brands is its scientific rigor. The company employs advanced testing methodologies, including nuclear magnetic resonance, NMR, for identifying chemical structure and confirming compound identity, spectrometry, to measure nutrient concentration, chromatography, to separate and analyze complex mixtures. These tools help ensure consistency, potency, and purity in each product batch. The end result is a high-functioning concentrate of food-derived nutrients, backed by data and produced in line with traditional Japanese values of craftsmanship and patience. Formulation philosophy. Koso Med doesn't develop products in isolation. Their formulation philosophy is based on synergy, where multiple components work together to amplify each other's effects. For example, enzymes assist with nutrient breakdown, which allows vitamins and minerals to be absorbed more efficiently. Amino acids support tissue repair, while antioxidants reduce oxidative stress that might otherwise interfere with cellular recovery. Their lineup includes product variations that support digestion and detox, energy production, metabolic balance, immune function, weight and appetite management. Each of these is connected through one core principle: optimize the gut and the rest will follow. From barrel to body, what the process looks like. Ingredient selection. Over 100 raw materials are sourced from clean, pesticide-free farms. Pre-fermentation prep. Ingredients are washed, chopped, and mixed according to proprietary ratios. Fermentation. Natural microbes begin converting raw compounds into absorbable nutrients. Aging. Over the next 12-plus months, ingredients break down slowly, with microbial action evolving at each stage. Filtration and testing. The finished product is filtered and analyzed for active compound content. Packaging. Without synthetic stabilizers, the product is sealed in air-controlled environments to maintain shelf stability naturally. This cycle from soil to shelf is designed to protect the integrity of the living nutrients while making them easy for the human body to use. A holistic gut health philosophy, Koso Med views the gut as the command center for the rest of the body. By optimizing digestion, nutrient absorption, and microbial balance, it believes everything else, from mood to immunity to energy, can naturally improve. Research cited throughout the Koso Chronicles supports this gut-centered approach. A well-functioning gut absorbs nutrients more efficiently, produces neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, regulates inflammation via immune signaling, helps balance hormones like insulin and leptin. With this understanding, Koso Med continues to innovate products that support the gut's complex and crucial role in whole body wellness. Bioenergy. Bioenergy is Koso Med's answer to the modern energy crisis. Not the one in power plants, but the one in our bodies. With fatigue, mental burnout, and physical sluggishness becoming daily norms for many people, bioenergy was developed as a natural, non-stimulant solution to low energy. What makes bioenergy unique? Bioenergy stands apart because it supports energy production at the cellular level, not by flooding the system with sugar or caffeine. Instead, it uses a blend of fermented plant compounds, micronutrients, and antioxidants to help the body produce its own energy more efficiently. The focus is on mitochondrial support, your body's built-in power plants. Mitochondria create ATP, the chemical that fuels every biological function. If your mitochondria aren't working well, you'll feel it in the form of fatigue, poor concentration, and sluggish recovery. Bioenergy supports mitochondria through three core functions: improving nutrient absorption via fermentation-enhanced bioavailability, reducing oxidative stress that damages mitochondria, enhancing metabolic pathways that convert food into usable energy. Bioenergy is designed to restore mitochondrial function, support smooth energy production without spikes or crashes, provide sustained vitality throughout the day, help the body recover faster from physical or mental exertion, support improved digestion and nutrient use. Because of Koso Med's fermentation method, all ingredients are pre-digested by beneficial microbes, which increases their absorption rate in the body. This helps the active compounds reach cells faster and more effectively than standard supplements. Energy without the crash. Unlike most energy supplements or drinks that rely on high caffeine or sugar, bioenergy's effects are described as gentle, sustainable, and jitter-free. Users report reduced daily fatigue, better workout recovery, more stable mood and mental clarity, less dependency on coffee or sugary snacks. This is possible because bioenergy works with your body's existing systems rather than overriding them. It improves how your body processes carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into fuel, making it a smart addition to a wellness routine. Target audience and use cases. Bioenergy is suited for professionals experiencing mental fatigue or burnout, parents balancing busy schedules and low sleep, athletes needing smoother recovery between workouts, older adults seeking to restore energy naturally, anyone trying to reduce caffeine or sugar reliance. It is a daily use product intended to support consistent energy levels over time, not a quick fix for occasional fatigue. Gut energy connection. Better digestion leads to better energy because nutrient deficiencies often come from poor absorption. Energy production depends on vitamins, amino acids, and minerals absorbed through the gut. A balanced microbiome influences inflammation, which affects how cells produce energy. So, in addition to its direct support of mitochondria, bioenergy also enhances digestion, giving your body the raw materials needed to generate natural vitality. Results users can expect. Although individual experiences vary, bioenergy is designed to help users feel more refreshed in the morning, less sluggish in the afternoon, more resilient during stressful periods, better able to focus on mental tasks, more capable of sustaining physical activity. It offers a recharged feeling, not from stimulants, but from improved biological function. Final thoughts plus special offer. Koso Med's bioenergy is a clear example of what happens when ancient fermentation meets modern nutritional science. It doesn't just cover up symptoms of low energy, it addresses the root causes through digestion, cellular health, and metabolic support. Whether you're looking to sharpen your focus, increase stamina, or simply stop hitting that 2 p.m. wall, bioenergy delivers. You can purchase bioenergy at thekosomed.com. Use code SHELLYS at checkout for 25% off.